All right, back working on the shed. I got all my rafters up yesterday. I sheeted the outside, I sheeted the floor. Yeah, the floor. That was my intention. I got it all done. This morning I'm working on the tails. Now I measured down, got as close to 8 feet as I can for my total run up the hill. And the far end rafter, I measured it out the same, and of course there's a bit of a difference, so my top row of plywood is going to go a little bit at an angle, and that's typical on a roof. Nothing comes out perfect. Your tolerance on wood is a minimum of an 1/8 inch. I've seen sheets of plywood out of square by a 1/4 inch, so it's not a good idea to use plywood to square your walls. You square your wall first, then you put your plywood on and nail it. Anyway, I got my far end down there, hung me a nail, snapped my line. Now, I'll take my trusty little T-bevel, if I can find it. Got it here somewhere. Well, I must have set it down somewhere. So I take my T-bevel and I adjust it for my vertical angle, which I have right here, you could see, which is just 100% plumb. Then I come down and mark all the blue lines on each rafter. I take them straight down, and then I'll come back with my saw and cut them, and that gets them all pretty close, within a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch. And there's a reason why they make shims, and they're used quite often when you're talking carpentry, framing houses, doing exterior trim, drywall, whatnot. Shims are a very good tool, and they're necessary. So I'll get my tails cut. I'm going to start sheeting the roof, and with any luck, I'll get my roof dried in with flashing and tar paper, and I'll get my Tyvek on the walls exterior. So, talk to you later.